In this video, you'll learn how to effectively message an eBay seller regarding an item you are interested in. By following these steps, you will be able to communicate your questions or requests clearly and efficiently. Start by logging in to your eBay account. Once you are on the home page, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the specific item listing from the seller. After locating the item, click on the listing to open the details page. On this page, you will see the seller's username along with their store information. It's essential to open the listing to ensure you are contacting the correct seller and to gather context about the product you are inquiring about. Next, look for the option that allows you to contact the seller. This option is typically located near the seller details section, clearly labeled as Contact Seller. Click this button to proceed. Doing so will open a messaging form where you can type your question. It is important to be clear and polite in your message to facilitate effective communication. You may want to inquire about item specifics, shipping options, or the availability of the product. Once you've composed your message, take a moment to review it for accuracy and clarity before sending. This step is crucial as it helps avoid misunderstandings. After ensuring that your message is well written, look for the send button and click it. Your message will then be sent to the seller, who will receive it in their eBay inbox. After sending the message, be aware that the seller will respond through the same messaging system on eBay. You will receive a notification once the seller replies to your inquiry. It is advisable to check your messages regularly to view their response. Engaging in a continuous conversation may help clarify any product details and contribute to a smoother buying experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.